Hello, I'm in a 2012 Toyota Yaris, and today I'm going to show you how to reset this maintenance required light. And I'll kind of walk through what it is for a couple different interfaces here. But for this one, I've got the odometer trip button here. Some models, you might have one you've got to click somewhere here or over here. But this model's here. It'll work the same for either. So our first is from the off position. You'll want to have the vehicle either all the way on or in this on, and then we're going to toggle with the trip button till this displays trip A. So in this one, I'm just going to hit this button till we get to trip A, which took me one click, but otherwise you'll just keep clicking till you're at trip A. And then at this point, we'll shut the vehicle back off or turn it off. And then the next step, we're going to put this in the on position without turning the engine on. So at the same time this goes to the on position, you're going to want to press and hold your odometer button, whether it's like this or it's something indicating up here or over here. So I'm going to do my best to record this while figuring out how to do this with just two hands. So I'm holding the trip in as I turn the vehicle on, and you're going to continue to hold the odometer button while you see this dash flash. And once those dashes are done, your maintenance light is reset. All right, and then like I said, same process regardless of where this button is located for you for your model. I hope this was helpful today and hope you have a wonderful day.